Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to The Scare Factor. I'm Tyler with Team Zombillies from thescarefactor.com, and we are here at the Black Orchard Haunted House down here in Shelbyville, Kentucky, just east of Louisville, and we are here for their summer slaughter event here in July. So super excited. This is one of their last haunted events here before the Halloween season gets here, which is right around the corner. Of course, in classic Black Orchard theme, they've got lots of chainsaws, they've got butchers, they've got a heavy slaughterhouse theme, and they've actually got one of the longest lines for this event that we've seen here in a long time, if not ever. This is going to be an action-packed show. I can just feel it. We're going to take you guys through the haunted house with us. We've got some friends going through with us tonight too. Should be lots of scares all the way around. Without further ado, let's go see what Black Orchard Haunted House for their summer slaughter event has in store for us today.
I don't know what that means,
On us not having the freshest meat in town. You guys are about to find out just how fresh our meats are. So when that bell tolls, I will send that first group in just to find out how fresh the meat is. Welcome to Black Orchard, guys. Yeah. All right, guys.
exactly.
Go on in.
The bell has tolled.
The bell did toll. The bell told. What kind of meat do they have in that barn? She told us it was fresh. I don't know if I believe her. All right, there's straw bales out there. I think it would.
Please be careful.
Okay. Atticus. Oh, I didn't know if we should.
It's a family, not a cult, but it's a cult. He stole my son and kidnapped him. And
Uh-oh.
brainwashed him.
You're saying it's a cult?
My son's name is Tyler, and he's inside a cage in there somewhere.
Uh-oh. Do you want us to try to get him?
Try to find him, please.
Okay.
Try to
But
find
don't
you.
listen to Atticus, he's a liar.
Uh-oh.
It's all true,
I think he can
Atticus.
hear you.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Ooh. Be careful. Tyler is in a cage, not that Tyler.
I was gonna say,
The other Tyler. Well, you're not in a cage yet. Ooh. I'm coming. Ooh, we got some chicken coops. I feel like something's gonna happen. What the fuck was that? I think it was a tree. Atticus.
What we're doing.
We're doing good? Yeah.
Hanging in there like a hair on a nipple.
That's good. Welcome to my meat shop. I'm Atticus, as you probably heard.
Uh-huh.
What else that man say about me out there?
You got
something
his
about-
son.
His son is 6'4" and 350 pounds. Do I look like a man that can just kidnap his son? It would take some planning, some handcuffs, some rope, a couple of other people, some of that smelly stuff to knock you out. Not that I would know. I'm just saying. I didn't kidnap the man. Anyway, like I said, welcome to my meat shop. We are 100% USDA prime choice beef.
Oh.
Now, we don't have anything weird here. Everybody says we sacrifice humans. We had a Brazilian here last week. That was a little bit spicier, but that was a cow, not a human.
Oh.
And if you signed up for this tour, well, it wouldn't be a cult. You wouldn't come to a cult, would you?
Not
It just don't
knowingly.
make no sense. So it's easy enough. Y'all got any questions about us?
Is the rumors true that it's not the freshest meat in town?
I think it's better you get it to Save a Penny or K. Rogers, I'll tell you that.
Okay.
That
he's
turns
got a
around
point.
after like 24 hours. Ours does not.
Oh.
Sometimes it's still a little writhing, but don't worry about that.
Yeah.
Y'all head around that way. Y'all be able to go inside, get some samples, see how we do
Purveyors.
things.
Thank you,
Appreciate
Atticus.
y'all.
Thank you.
I see it's smoking.
Yeah, something's burning.
All the way around the truck now.
Okay.
They said it was fresh.
Ooh, that I don't know
They
about
said it was fresh. I didn't say it wasn't burnt.
Okay. Ooh, there's a little mini teepee.
Oh,
It's Nora's size.
little tent.
Ooh, there's a something.
I hear y'all out here banging.
Oh,
Whoa.
Hello.
oh, what have you got?
Today, you'll help me find the shiny.
The shiny.
Of Black Orchard.
The shining.
Take this.
Uh-oh.
Come along.
Oh, he fell.
I am not doing what you did.
Come along.
Okay.
Dig, dig, dig.
Dig?
Yes.
Okay. Whoa, oh, I feel something. Oh, that's not shiny.
Yes, it is.
It's a bone. Oh my goodness.
Alan, everybody tell me what it is.
It's a bone. It's a bone. It's a
It's a
spine
bone.
bone.
Definitely a bone.
No! No.
It's a-
This is your life. Your life, I tell you.
Life.
This one has saved your life.
Oh.
Come along.
That's good. Thank you, Nora.
I don't think I did.
Yes, thank you, Nora.
He's lying. Okay. That's our life.
Quickly!
But it's in your hands, and I don't think I like that.
Oh,
Watch
we
your
got
step. Watch your step.
cemetery out there.
Ooh, look at that light hitting that fog.
That is beautiful.
It is beautiful. There's a chicken. Uh-oh, something's back there.
Oh, he's showing him his bone.
Don't eat it, Tracy.
Uh-oh. It's
Oh
this guy.
shit, that's not the same person.
not- no, I'm
Ew,
good.
no. No, it's not. No. Oh God. It smells everything but fresh.
I guarantee you'll get the fresher meat here than you will in there.
Oh, I don't know about that
Probably
yet.
got a point.
There's no AC out here. That was furry meat.
Furry meat?
It was very furry.
What's furry and still alive?
His meat.
His meat?
Why are you licking his meat?
Because he shoved it in my face.
So you just lick anything that gets shoved in your face?
Well,
Why did you come to join the bird?
is that Nicole?
Yes.
Colt,
Yeah.
I consider it more of a way of life. There's birds everywhere. There's birds in the barn. There's birds out here. There's birds in our souls.
She licks the bird. She likes to lick them. You have to let her lick everything.
There's a bird up there.
Like broken teenage dreams, Nora.
Broken teenage dream.
I've never been told that.
Oh,
Shit. What you got? Oh, that's a weapon. No. You.
Birds will love you.
I don't know.
He says they'll love us.
They're probably
don't know if
pluck
I
our
believe him.
freaking eyeballs out. I
One
won't.
last chance.
No.
Buy it anymore.
It's some furry meat. I did not lick it.
You're in our world now.
Oh shit. I don't know if I want to be.
Birds everywhere.
Yeah. There are birds. Look at 'em.
If there's a meat shop, you'll find the Colt.
Colt. Yeah, he said it.
He
Colt.
did. He said it.
You didn't hear that?
Okay.
You said Colt.
He said Colt.
He said
You said Colt.
Oh, okay.
Well, our meat is 100% real meat.
What kind of meat?
Real meat.
I'll take
Okay.
that.
So are you gonna maybe give us a little taste to something?
Change.
Okay.
I'm going to show you what usually goes in my sauce.
Okay. That looks pretty fresh.
Yes, that is.
Okay.
You want to buy?
Oh my God! It's that no. No.
What about that?
No. Oh, it's a bird.
Oh my.
Oh God, it's a bird. Don't. That might be what the birds are. I don't know. Holy shit. That thing's huge. I don't think I want to. No, that's grippy. That's grippy. I don't wanna. I always love the colors in this farm. What the fuck? Oh my goodness. He got me good. Oh, it's another bird. Oh God, it's got it.
How does?
Hi.
They're crazy down there.
They're crazy.
You don't go down there.
Okay.
Crazy. Tell them where the meat comes from, Doris.
Does it come from in here?
You'll find out.
Oh,
You'll
shit.
find out. Tell them, Doris. You made a mistake.
Come on in.
Ignore it. It's all lies.
Oh.
Lies. Now come look at my pretty meat.
Oh, your pretty things, I think. Hey, where'd you get those?
I collect them.
Uh-oh. Not like your things. No. This one stays here. No.
Oh!
No.
Don't touch it!
I'm not touching it. Now, if they butcher pigs, why is this in here?
They're not normal pigs.
Oh. Dirty. Oh, no. Oh, dirty. Ah, clean the meat. Oh. Clean the meat. Clean the meat. Clean it. I'm not meat. Clean the meat. I'm not meat. Clean your meat.
Oh God.
Shit, no spark. No. You get out. No spark.
Take all the meat.
Oh my God. Oh, no. Don't you make me run. Oh God.
Trying not to get slaughtered.
I can smell your fear.
Uh-oh.
They're moving, I'm telling you what. Oh. Oh, Jesus Christ, what is that?
You miss me?
Oh, no, I don't, not now. No.
Saunders says hi.
What are you putting on me? What? It's green.
Oh my God.
I think it's ground up teeth.
I think it is.
Let's go look at my nest now and we go insane. This nest. My pretty birds. My birds, my birds. Don't you see my nest? Here we go.
They don't even know.
He's got him a nest in there.
Oh, this is way different. Oh.
Oh my.
It's okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. You're just
Oh
gonna hurt
my.
me. He's a little bigger than he initially looked.
Where you get your meat?
79. Now, did you? Yes. Okay. He's not gonna tell secrets. Did you taxidermy your face?
Yes.
Okay.
This is my trophy room. Oh. This is my wife. This is my ex-wife.
Oh.
Very badly.
Okay.
And this is my cousin Willie. I'd love to take your head, ma'am. Not to put it right here next to Willie. It is that beautiful.
No.
Oh, yes,
I need it so I
got
can
something special for you, ma'am.
No, what is it?
Go. That's
Oh.
for you.
Okay.
What
Till we
about
meet
you,
again.
Mike?
All
Yes.
right, me time. Oh. Falling back.
Oh my.
Ooh. Okay. What it is? Oh, he's laughing. No.
Uh-oh.
I see you over there. This dude is fucking crazy. Oh my goodness! Wow! What the hell did they feel? Holy shit! That dude is nuts! Holy cow!
Wow.
Holy cow!
Phew.
Wow! Is that what it is?
He's dirt. Mud.
I'm convinced it's ground up teeth.
All right, guys, that pretty well sums it up for Black Orchard here for their summer slaughter event. Make sure you come out and check them out during haunt season to see the full show. If you do come out and see Black Orchard this season, definitely tell them the Scare Factor sent you. That helps us out a bunch. We are going to head on out to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.